What are the next steps when it comes to making data sharing on global and European scale really happen? Essentially, there are two things to do. The one thing is we have to show that there's value in it, that there's a real business value, and we have to show the economy behind, and perhaps we have to even show the ROI for the companies so that they see the sense in sharing data. On the other hand side, we have to lower barriers. Therefore, IDS concepts and the idea of data sovereignty will help. So we have to explain companies that there are technological solutions that will help to ease data sharing. On the one hand side, that they can find building blocks that they can immediately reuse and things like that. So at the end, we have to see that data economy really happens. So we have to populate ecosystems. We have to find data providers, data users. We have to bring them together and to stimulate those ecosystems. And one very important thing is to create awareness for data sharing, that there's a business need behind, that it makes sense, and that data economy is something to really strive for. We have to create awareness, we have to educate, we have to train, and we have to convince the people that data sovereignty is something we all want to have.